Hey everybody, and hello friends. In this video, let's talk about the employee experience in manufacturing, specifically for people that work in our factories and our plants. Let's get more specific on the factory employee experience and set up the demo. We know factory workers are critical yet underserved. We need to modernize their experience. It's how they live outside of work, mobile apps on their phones, self-service, etc. You'll see a new mobile app, Smarter at Work. This is the one-stop shop for employees at Contoso. You'll also see a modern work scheduling example. We're all competing for talent, and a mobile self-service scheduling is table stakes. As you can clearly see, based on this evidence, organizations that prioritize the employee experience thrive. Greater profits, innovation, retention, and a return on equity. Here we are in that mobile app I talked about a second ago. This is a branded version of Viva Connections. In our case, we called it Smarter at Work. The first thing you'll see is the Dashboard tab. Now, the Dashboard tab provides self-service and fast and easy access to all the information and job-related tasks. As you can see, the cards or tiles here are customized for factory and plant workers. All my important work things are here. My latest pay stub from Workday. My upcoming shifts, looks like I need to work tomorrow, and some mandatory training that's due by March 1st. The second portion of this mobile app is the feed, and this brings organizational communication content from SharePoint, Yammer, Stream, Teams, all in a single feed. This is about maintaining connectivity of what's going on in the organization for factory and plant workers. The last tab of this mobile app is resources. These are key resources I need inside work, like HR, IT, or information about COVID. Now let's take a look at a modern scheduling experience using Shifts Mobile. We talked about the dashboard card where Shifts is exposed, but let's go ahead and open the Shifts app on the Teams bottom rail. This bottom rail is also highly customized for a factory or plant worker, only showing the apps that are important to them, like the Smarter at Work app we just covered, Shifts, Chat, Teams, and Walkie Talkie. So here we can see all of Joni's shifts, and generally she works 8 to 5, 5 days a week. If I open up one of Joni's shifts, maybe something come up and she can't make that particular shift on January 2nd. Right here, she could either swap or offer the shift. She could swap with a known coworker based on a prior agreement, or offer the shift to a group of coworkers. Let's go ahead and click Offer, and let's go ahead and offer this to several other team members, Ellen, Lynn, Nestor, and Patty. And she needs to take her cat to the vet. So it's not easy for Joni, self-service-wise, to have a flexible schedule and offer a shift. And once somebody accepts that shift, she'll be notified. So that's all Joni's shifts. Joni can also see the open shifts. These are shifts that are available to potentially pick up some extra work. And again, without any supervisor interaction at this point, she can go ahead and look at an open shift and request it. Now, at this point, it will need manager approval, but Joni has the ability herself to request open shifts. The next is request. This is a log of the request of things we have just done. You can see we requested a shift. We offered a shift recently. And last piece is time clock. This can integrate into your workforce management system. Directly in the Shifts app, Joni could either clock in or clock out, or pause for a break. So that's the Shifts app, a part of this mobile experience to take the factory or plant worker to the next level.